your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna get ready because today we're going somewhere else and magdi-date lang. So mag-get ready with me ako guys. My makeup for today's video is just smooth lang. Pang ano lang, pang basic lang. Hindi masyadong bongga-bongga, ganun. This is what I'm going to wear, guys. Basic lang tayo. Kasi, labas lang tayo. Since basic lang tayo for today's video, I'm gonna use a skin tint, guys. This is what I'm going to use. It's a BB cream. It's Herborian, Korean skin tint therapy. So there is a SPF 20 also, and makeup care face cream baby skin effect. So this is what I'm going to use. I just saw it, guys, on TikTok. Since it's still early, I'm gonna use my Skin Aqua sunscreen. This is the best sunscreen I have ever had so far. Best purchase ever ko to, guys, kasi sobrang laki niya na. Sobrang sulit at hindi madali. Maraming klase ng sunscreen nila, guys. May gold sila na ganito. Maganda din yan. Plano ko nga, if ever maubos ko siya, mga ilang months pa, bibilin ko naman yung gold. SPF 50+++ na siya, guys. Sobrang ang ganda niya sa skin. Walang white cast. So, yun lang, guys. I need to put on corrector first. Ayan, sa mga redness area ko. Bago mag skin tint. Partner sila, guys. So, this is CC Red Corrector. And also, may Centella siya. Asiatica. And also, Automatic Perfector Soothing Effect, even complexion. So, may broad spectrum SPF 25 sunscreen na din siyang kasama. So, ang ganda niya sa skin, guys. All of this are Herborian. Meron pa akong isang gustong bilhin na under from their brand name. Pero yun nga is sold out na siya. So, baka next time bilhin ko siya. Ang ganda niya, guys, kasi pag ayan, mapabothered ka sa ganyan kasi feeling mo hindi siya magbe-blend or mag-iwan siya ng konting, like, konting white effect. Pero, guys, look. Pag na-blend mo na siya sa skin mo, parang wala. Ang ganda niya lang. Parang, ano na din siya, parang skin tint na hindi mo maintindihan. Guys, ayan. Kasi parang, wala lang. Parang skin mo na lang siya. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ay, shucks. So, ayan siya sa face, guys. Ito talaga yung shade niya. Wala siyang ibang shade. Kasi napiblend out siya sa skin. Sikat siya, guys, sa sa FYP ko, sa my TikTok. Ano kasi siya, like, Korean brand. Alam niyo yung mga Korean brand, mahilig sa mga glass skin. Ano. And also guys, I just realized it's hard pala maging content creator. Even though I wanted to be. Pero yung ginagawa ko ngayon guys, ini-enjoy ko na lang siya kahit mahirap. Kahit minsan disappointed. Kahit really, like, consistent lang talaga. Kasi nga, hindi man araw-araw may malaking views ka or whatever. Ayan guys, mababadad ka kasi, di ba? Oh my gosh, ang dami, ganun. Pero guys, wala. Hindi siya ganun. Mabe-blend out siya lahat sa skin mo. Ayan o, sa hands ko. Parang wala lang. I'm gonna use this brush for my foundation. Blend out natin sila. Hindi siya hindi siya maputi sa mukha pag ma-blend out mo na. Ako kasi, mapili ako sa mga foundation guys. Kasi nga, yung skin ko is combination skin types. So, pinipili ko talaga yung foundation na bagay sa sa skin. Kasi, parang ayoko nagda-dry out yung makeup ko or like magpapatchy, magiging cakey siya. Ang hirap kasi yung tapos pagka maya-maya wala na. Ako guys, gusto ko siya gusto ko maging content creator or like kahit makeup review or like makeup content creator kasi nga mahal ko yung makeup. Like wala akong pakialam if wala akong PR or ma-purchase ko yung makeup na gusto ko. Basta lang, magawa ko lang yung gusto ko, like yung passion ko, like hindi naman ako kagalingan, like hindi naman ako kagalingan mag-makeup, guys. It's just that my basic. It's just that love ko lang talaga makeup. Okay lang pag hindi ako maging sikat or like that. Wala, okay lang. Basta ginagawa ko lang yung gusto ko. Kahit wala ako sa PR list, okay lang. Basta bibilhin ko pa rin. Hindi naman lahat ng passion natin para sa atin. Like, parang para sa atin talaga. Minsan, ginagawa mo lang para ma-feel mo na fulfill ka. Kahit pa paano na fulfilled ka, ganun. Pero for me, it's fine. So far, maganda siya. Ang ganda din ng lightning ko. Shout out. Inopen ko lang talaga yung bintana ko, guys. So, yun nga. Wala naman akong nilulook forward. Okay lang maging if maging sikat, madaming views, or like that. Okay lang din kung hindi. Basta, I'm just doing what I like. And this is like sharing my life with you. Sharing my, me as a person. Okay lang. Kung mag-viral or hindi, or I don't mind. As long as I'm just doing my own thing. Just doing what I love. And everything. Kasi guys, nasa sariling timeline mo naman yun. Yung if ever gustong gusto mo talaga maging content. Hindi naman lahat biglang sikat, gano'n. You have your own timeline. Have your own, ano,
Magiging
basta,
sikat ka.
yun lang. Ako guys, hindi naman sa gusto ko agad sumikat. It's just that ginagawa ko lang yung gusto ko. Without any expectation. Kasi alam ko naman mahirap yung pinapasukan ko eh. Yung ganitong industry, dapat just do your own thing without expectation kasi hindi lahat umaayon sa plano mo. It takes time. As long as you're doing your own thing, it's fine. You're happy what you're doing, it's okay. Ganun yung mindset ko, guys. Walang expectation kasi hindi lahat, like, alam mo yun kung ano yung plinano mo, yung mangyayari. Hindi. Basta yung ginagawa ko, consistent lang. Minsan walang upload, minsan may upload. Kasi nga, syempre, tao lang yung tayo, pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob. Like, ganito, ganyan. Bakit yung iba ganito, ganyan? Parang kino-compare mo din yung sarili mo sa iba. Like, you will feel na unfair, ganun. At sila may ganitong views, but ikaw wala. Even if you do more good. Pero yun nga, yun yung sinasabi kong wag yung gawin. Kasi, that's not a good mindset. Just do your own thing. Just focus on that. And you're fine. You will know where to go. Huwag mong masyadong minamadali yung sarili mo or yung life mo just because nauna sila at ikaw andyan pa. Kakultur lang, guys. Isa yung contour na ng shape nyo sa mukha. Dati di ako nagko-contour, guys. Ngayon nagko-contour ako kasi ang parang na-appreciate ko na siya. Before hindi eh. Hindi din ako mahilig mag-blush. Pasensya na kayo, guys, may asawa ako dito sa gilid. Masyadong nagpapapansin na naman. Okay, bye-bye. Ayun nga, tumalis na siya. Kasi, susunduin niya pa yung parents niya. I'm thinking about what should I do for my abs. I'm just kidding, guys. So, yun nga, ano tayo, eyeshadow tayo. Kahit paano para naman, may something, I don't know which one to use. This one. This is for my, yun na. Daming arte pag makeup, no? What should I use? Ito muna for our base. Hindi ako basta-basta agad guys, nag-eyeshadow na wala man lang base. Kasi parang, hindi ko. Hindi siya working for me. Mas maganda pag may face. Nasa face kayo na same sa akin. Like, you wanted to be a content creator. You wanted to be in the PR or everything. Tapos napapaghinaan kayo ng loob. You know what, the only thing that I can say, if you love what you're doing, you just have to continue that and be consistent. Minsan, pero tao lang din tayo, alam ko yan. Just take a rest, tapos, get up. And do whatever you want. Kung gusto mo talaga to, just go for it. Don't be scared. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Kasi guys, ako, pag napapanghinaan ako ng loob, like, I don't want to do anymore what I'm doing. Ano lang, nag-rest lang ako. I take off my mind of it for any negativity. Kasi ako guys, hindi ako nag-entertain ng mga negativity kasi ako lang din mabubuang. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, hindi pwede. Walang room dapat yung negativity kasi nga, ano lang, I'm doing this for myself. Kasi I love what I'm doing. Ganun lang iniisip ko. Kung, diba, ikaw lang din yung gumagawa ng way para maging negative ka. Edi ikaw lang din gumawa ng way para mag-turn it into positive. Ganun yung ginagawa ako, guys. Ako gumagastos ako na talaga ng makeup. Kasi nga, at first, mahirap talaga, guys. Ang hirap na mag-build ng your own fandom. Ng people, mga taong manunood sa'yo. I know. Hindi siya madali, guys. But you have to be consistent. Kasi yung iba dyan, nagsimula lang din naman sila sa wala. Pero, look at them now. Diba? Pero sabi ko nga, may sarili-sarili tayong, we have our own, like, we have our own limelight. Hindi naman lahat aayon sa gusto natin, right? Pero, if you really love what you're doing, you just have to wait for it. Wait until your own timeline will come. Gamitin ko to, guys. So, pink flush lang siya. Love ko kasi yung glitters, guys. Pasensyahan nyo na ako. Mahilig ako sa glitter. Alam niyo bang hindi ako marunong mag-makeup? Natuto lang ako mag-makeup because I love what makeup give to us. The confidence, everything. Unti-unti lang akong natututo, guys. Until now, natututo pa rin ako. Kasi nga, I love what it gives to me. The confidence. Everything. Na feeling mo, pag suot mo yung makeup, ang ganda-ganda mo. Yun yung nafe-feel ko, guys. Every time I wear makeup. It gives me a sense of like power, empowerment, or like basta power, guys. Yun yung binibigay sa akin ng makeup ko. Nag-umpisa lang naman ako maging serious sa makeup ko, guys, yung nag-work ako. And when I was working, I was really, like, I was really in my lowest situation, my lowest life. Because I've, like, I'm in my deepest situation. Because I was in a relationship that's really gives me stress, everything, depression. Nandun ako sa buhay na yun before. Kaya, nagamit ko yung makeup in a way to cover all my stress, like, to cover off my stress na parang yung mata ko, guys, mugtong-mugto. Yan yung ginawa sa akin ng makeup, guys. It adds to my life. Na parang, nasa certain situation ako na ganun. Wala akong ibang kinakapitan kundi yung makeup ko. Kasi, mugto palagi yung mata ko. And have a lot of acne, guys. Hindi ko kalala yung sarili ko before. Sobrang hirap. Sobrang nasa ganun akong position na ang hirap, guys. Hindi ko na alam saan ako pupulutin. Pero yun nga, everything has a reason. And I'm so thankful that I landed with my husband that right now became the love of my life. Saved me. Who saved me from that nakakalokang sitwasyon. I thought never-ending na siyang mangyayari sa buhay ko. Pero, sometimes God has a plan. That's what is my motto and my, like, iniisip ko every time that I feel like susuko na ako. Yun na yung iniisip ko palagi. This is from Color Rose, guys. Ang ganda. Look at that. Ayoko siyang galawin kasi ngayon. May structure yung ano niya, yung packaging niya. Gusto ko maglagay ng blush on dito, guys. Ayan, ito. Yun iniisip ko, guys. Lalo na ngayon, I feel like I wanna give up of what I'm doing. Pero sabi ko, hindi pa rin ganun. Kasi ito, nasimulan ko na, di ba? If hindi umayos sa plano ko, then I don't care. As long as I'm doing what I love. I'm doing the best thing that I can. I'm doing the thing that I love the most. I don't care anymore. Kasi, this has been like my comfort. This has been my therapy. Why am I giving it up? Kasi hindi naman ako nag-give up mag-makeup kasi nag-makeup naman ako palagi. So I don't care if it will get viral or not. As long as I'm doing my own thing. I'm videoing myself. Yung ano ko, guys, mindset. Kasi kasama ko yung makeup sa buhay. Kumain sa plano ko. Ayoko nang ganun. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Kasi araw-araw ko naman siya ginagamit yung makeup ko. Kasi memories ko din to eh. One day when I have a kid, I'll be able to show her that I'm also like a girly thing. I also have my own girly moments. I do my own thing too. So yun lang. Sobrang tagal na to sa akin, guys. 2 years na ata to sa akin. Charing. Hindi naman 2 years, 1 year ata. Yeah, 1 year. May sentimental value kasi ito yung first ko na binili ata nung first paycheck ko. Pinili ko para sa sarili ko. I'm so happy right now, guys. I'm in my happy place. So, yeah, and my ex also know that wala naman yung ano, if ever mag-share man ako or anything. Kasi he knows naman. He knows what is that. And he knows also the kind of relationship that we had. So, it doesn't matter. Ito yung highlighter na gagamitin ko. Guys, if you, most of my makeups are from Shiglam. I will be making a video that I'll be using all the Shiglam products. Kasi nga, my Shiglam is like my go-to makeup, guys. Hindi lang siya affordable, but it's really one of my go-to makeup. Ang ganda ng quality nila. It's like underrated lang talaga siya. I don't know why. But I love using Shiglam. I don't have any problem with that. Okay, what's next? I'm trying this, my new NARS. Yeah, Dragon Girl. It's a velvet matte lip pencil, so I'm gonna try it out if it's good. So I think that's all that I did. Everything already been done to my face except my lippies. Kasi nga, I just told you guys that I'm just doing a normal makeup, like my basic makeup. This is my setting mist by e.l.f. This is one of my favorite setting spray. So after that, I'm gonna do my lippies and my hair done. Okay, gonna right back. Ito siya, guys. So that's my makeup for today's video, and after that I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna curl it for a moment, guys, so I'll be back. So this is my final makeup look, guys. After this, I'm gonna go and do my hair, so I'll be right back. So I haven't done my hair pala, guys. I feel like I wanted to change my hair color, Ewan ko bakit dito sobrang ano niya, bland na bland, samantala sa personal, hindi.
And this is my final look, guys. I didn't have any
Highlights lang
video
to,
on. I
guys.
forgot it. But I have my pictures, so I hope you guys like it. And thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and follow
After
my
that,
page
I'm
on
gonna
Facebook.
show you guys my
Thank you
final
guys and have a good day.